Hey guys, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix for the camera when it's showing only black screen or on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And for that, let us now begin. So the very first thing we need to do is to go to our camera and just here type in the or just in the Windows search tab, just type camera, and you will see under best match the camera, and at the left or right hand side you will see the app settings, so please click on app settings. And once you do that, this window will be open, and then we will be here in the installed apps and directly to the camera option. So let's just wait for this to let's just wait for the options to appear. So now we have the specification section, the app permission section, and as well as the background apps permission. All we need to do is just to click this, let this app run in background. So if you see this drop down button here, please click on that, and instead of choosing power optimized, which is recommended, please click on always. And then the next thing you need to do is to reset the camera application. So just scroll down a little bit, you will see the reset option. So please try first the first option, which is repair. If this app isn't working right, then we can try to repair it so the app's data won't be affected. And just click on this repair, and after doing that, just make a quick restart with the device and then see if the camera is now working. And if it's still not working, then go again to this window and please click now the reset button here, which is the second option. So if this app is still not working right, then the app's data will be, or just reset it, and then the app's data will be deleted. Okay, and then you can now try to see if it's working after making a quick restart with the device. So if it's still not working, let's go ahead with the second process, which is to go to the device manager. So here in the Windows icon, please make a right click and then go to device manager options. You will see here the camera. So let me just expand this one, and you will see the camera option. So please click on the arrow before camera. Once you do that, you will see the camera driver that you have in your device. And the next thing you need to do is just to make a right click on that. Click on properties, and then you will see here the general tab, driver tab, details tab, and events. So please click on driver tab, and you will see the driver details, update driver, disable device, and uninstall device. So please click on update driver, and you will see here the two options on how you want to search for drivers. So please click first the first option, search automatically for drivers. And then if it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then just close this one and then click on disable device, and then click on yes. And then after disabling it, just click on this enable device option again, and then it will be enabled. And after doing that, just restart the camera, see if it's already working. Okay, so if it's still not working, then you can take the name of the camera itself or the camera driver. So just wait for a while. If you see the camera name here, just copy it or bear it in mind, and then go to your browser in your device and then search for the driver or the latest driver for this camera driver here, and then just make sure that you download from the manufacturer website itself. And once you do that, just install the download version or the downloaded driver in your device. Okay, once done, and if it's still not working, let's troubleshoot the problem. So you can search here in the Windows search tab, troubleshoot. And then once you do that, you will see the best match troubleshoot settings. So please click on that. And then you will see here the other troubleshooters option. Please click on that. And under other section, you will see the camera option. So please click on the run window here or the run button here. Once you do that, it will start diagnosing the problem, and it will troubleshoot the problem. Okay, after the troubleshooting process, just make a quick restart with your device and see now if the camera is already working. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you again in the next one. Bye bye.